Dear friends, do you want to know how is one of the most complex and powerful brain structures, the neocortex, assembled structurally and functionally? Please come to join us at the Hertie Foundation lecture on July 11th morning, 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. This plenary lecture, supported by the Hertie Foundation, is part of the 2022 Federation of European Neuroscience Societies FENS Forum, to be held on July 9th to 13th in Paris, France. In this lecture, entitled Assembly and Operation of the Neocortex, I will discuss how early processes of neuronal production and neuronal migration instruct the precise and effective assembly of columnar neuronal circuits and functional neural map at the single cell resolution. The neocortex is the latest evolved brain structure. It contains an extraordinary number of diverse neurons that are organized into horizontal layers and develop highly specific synapses to assemble into intricate functional circuits. It is the command center of all high-order brain functions, including perception, movement, language, learning and memory, and cognition. Despite the progress made in our understanding of the general development and organization of the neocortex, the principles and mechanisms that instruct the precise assembly and functional operation of the neocortex remain largely unknown. I will share with you our efforts in searching for the common developmental modules of neocortical circuits at the structural and functional levels, and linking them with animal behavior under normal and disease conditions. I'm very excited about the upcoming FENS Forum in Paris to learn the latest scientific discoveries, to see my colleagues, and to develop collaborations, and most importantly, to celebrate neuroscience. I really look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.